In this video, we're going to discover how we can A/B test our email content. When we first load the app, click on Email Content, which is the second option. We can see here, by default, we're testing two versions. So we've got an A test and a B test. If you like, you can use the plus arrows to boost this to three versions. So effectively, we have an A, a B, and a C. Okay, we're now being asked to select which mailing lists we'd like to use as part of this test. So let's click on the select icon. Let's navigate to our desired mailing lists and tag them. You can click on as many mailing lists as you like for an A/B test. Okay, we can see our mailing lists are selected up here. Right, we've now got a slider asking us how big our test sample is going to be. By default, this is on 10%. So on 10%, a random 10% of these three mailing lists will be used to send out A, B, and C tests to. We can see here on the current settings, segment A will be sent to 195 subscribers, B to 195 subscribers, and C to 195 subscribers. And then when we've identified the winner, the winning segment will be sent to the remainder of our list, which is just nearly 6,000 subscribers. We can use the slider here to boost this or decrease this as desired, and we can see this is updating on the right hand side to give us accurate representations. So let's boost this to 25%. Okay, next we'll be asked to select our previously created test campaigns that we wish to use. We can see here we've been asked to set a campaign for segment A, for segment B, and for segment C. So let's set A. And let's select our A campaign. Okay, and let's do this for B. And for C. Okay, this enables us to send three campaigns with one small variation in each, so we can accurately A/B test it. We can now see the next section has appeared, which is asking us to set our sender profile. So let's click on this. This is the send from details that we're going to use for this test. Let's click on a profile, and we can see it's now been tagged. And finally, we've got the send time and winner selection. So let's set a time that we wish this experiment to start. We can click on the clock symbol to do that. So let's start the test tomorrow at 11:15 AM. Next, we're being asked to identify how we're going to define which is the winning segment. Is it on highest opens, so how many people read our email, or we can change this to most clicks. And finally, we're being asked to specify the wait time. So after we've sent our tests A, B, and C, we can set the wait time before we evaluate which is the winner, and then send to the winner. So by default, this is on 24 hours. We can change this to shorter or longer if we want. For example, if we wanted a long wait, we could change this to 2 weeks. And finally, when you've set everything up, we can click on Run Test from the right hand side. We'll be asked to confirm that we're going to A/B test our email content, sending to us a total of 6.5k subscribers. When you're happy, click on Let's do it.